Hi guys, so we are at Rowston North crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. There we go, this is an unexpected closure. I don't know, the time is 17:16 on Friday the 6th of March 2015, and this is for Andrew.
I'm delayed at 16:24, 2 kilo 45, this Midlands train station gate to Peterborough.
Thanks. Did you actually know that was coming?
Oh, you think you can't know what anything is? Use me noggin.
Oh.
You're not English, that's head. It's noggin.
Nice, you could have given me a warning.
Nah. There's not more than one train of country.
We should hopefully go back up after this for the normal trains, because this is starting from, hopefully, I'm sorry guys that I didn't stay to my schedule from this week, because it's been a pretty busy week. Mum's been getting late back from Sheffield at night from hospital, and I've been cooking dinner at home, and I've been to my auntie's house, and it's just been a bit of a weird week for me. So maybe a few days next week I'll come in here, but Tuesday and Thursday probably definitely not, because Mum does get home from Sheffield at late at night.
Listeners don't expect what Joe's saying.
So hopefully Monday, Wednesday and Friday next week I'll be coming down here. I've forgotten how much I used to enjoy doing this after school.
I thought that he's put on more weight, what he said. Oh, well.
There she is anyway.
I suppose we've got a 153 coming in, wait.
Yes.
Or is he not there yet?
Single.
Hmm.
One 153-313. 153-313 to Peterborough, and
Well, as far as Cleveland anyway.
up they go. Thank you guys, I will see you in the next video.